What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike back again with another Jedi Jumpman review. And today I have the Air Jordan 4 Guava Ice, originally released back in August of 2020 for a retail price of $250. All right, let's get into it. First, we have a Union box, yellow, Michael Jordan's hands reaching out, the word Union written across. The bottom of the box is blue. On the side here, we have the Jumpman and the word Union written underneath. Bottom of the box is pretty standard Nike Jordan box, nothing too special except that Jordan Union branding. And the size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Guava Ice Light Fusion Red, size 11, my size. Got these sneakers to rock. Summer's coming. I think it's a perfect summer sneaker. So let's pop it open. Inside, just a blue top. No markings, no writings or anything. Tissue paper, back of Michael Jordan's head. Gold necklace on, signing autographs. Pretty dope. There we have the sneakers. All right. Oh. Let's check out the other sneaker first. This one has the blue hang tag, Union written on it. The Jumpman. It's pretty cool. And we have, well, let me first say that this sneaker is a collaboration between Air Jordan and Union LA. Union LA is a streetwear, fashion, and lifestyle boutique, and it's received its partnership with Jordan Brand following its hit with the Air Jordan 1 collaboration. So, let's get into it. Colors just pop. I love all these colors. All right, on the top, we have the toe cap, all made out of mesh. That feels really nice. Then we have a nice thick cut of suede as the mud guard wrapping around. We have more suede up here under the cage on the tongue. That made the caging on the tongue look smaller now. On the side, we have the light fusion red eye stays clamped onto some suede there. Then going up, we have the antique yellow caging running down. That feels good. Yeah. Then we have the blue eye stays connected to the Jordan full wing, but this one's been modified. This is a solid piece instead of this being hollowed out. This is all solid plastic, semi-translucent. Then under that, we have the Union LA tag in yellow. And up above that, we have the ankle collar, which is done in a red mesh and blue sock liner. And let's check out the Air unit. She looks nice and clear. She's yellow on the inside. We got a midsole that's all yellow, outsole that's yellow. On the bottom, we got the Nike branding with the swoosh. That's looking great. Got a white pod. We got the yellow stars up here. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I love the red and the blue. That looks great. Let's go back to the heel. On the heel tab, we have a blue heel tab. Let me show you that. Flip up. And we got Nike Air in that fusion red. Looking good, popping out. Awesome. We go to the medial side of the shoe. Got that red mesh ankle collar. Then we have that semi-translucent plastic wing. Not hollowed out. We got the blue eye stay again, antique yellow caging, red fusion eye tag, and then that's about it for this sneaker, except for the controversial tongue. Here we have it. This one, people loved it, people hated it. On the tongue, we have the Air Jordan patch that you normally see on the inside. This time it's on the outside because the tongue is folded over and stitched. Speaking of the stitching can be removed and you can pop the tongue back up. So if that's what you choose to do, that's what you choose to do. I'm not going to do that. I like it the way it is. I think it looks great. I think it's going to look great in shorts. Yeah. And then on the inside of the tongue, we have the threads that are sticking out, so you could remove those. Like I said, if you want to pop the tongue out, it makes it easier. And that's it for this sneaker. Let's check out the other one. The other one, here we have an extra set of laces. It's like an orangey yellow type color. These would make the sneaker pop, in my opinion. I might put those on at a later date. But on this one, we basically have the same things. I'm not going to go over them again, but let's check out the inside of the sneaker. The inside, you got the Jordan Jumpman with Union written underneath. Let's pop out that insole. Let's take out the shoe tree. All right. Pop this out. Nice. Nice and thick. Yep, looking good. Let's check out the stitching inside. There's your tape. Tape with the threads and all the stitching along the sides and the back. Looks great. This is a high, top quality sneaker. I definitely recommend it. I got these bad boys from Dandy Shoe. You could find them at dandyshoe.ru. They're great communication, great shipping time, great payment. It's easy to pay. You're not going to get ripped off. You're not going to get scammed. Like I said, the communication's great. You write to them, they'll write you right back within a few hours, I would guess. Well, technically, it could be like 12 hours or so because there's like an 8-hour delay. So don't worry, they will write back to you. But yeah, this is definitely top quality. I could tell. I know I don't have another pair to compare them to, but I could just tell the way it feels, the way it looks. Smells great. Yeah, I highly recommend these if you're looking for a pair. I would not pay resale for these. The resale price on these is $799 plus all the fees, tax, shipping. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm not paying $800 for a sneaker. No way. I tried to cop a pair of sneakers on the sneakers app today. Caught an L, but I got those coming too, so I'll do a video on them later. But yeah, here's your Air Jordan 4 Guava Ice. Check it out. Dope looking sneaker. I like all the modifications that they did. At first I didn't, but they've grown on me, and now having the sneaker in hand, I really can't wait to wear it. Really can't wait to wear it. You know. Well, anyway, this is about a wrap for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share. I'd really appreciate it. And everybody, have a good one. Take care.